Meet Ashley. She was a talented writer with a captivating fantasy novel, but she couldn't get it noticed. She published her book on Amazon KDP, yet sales were dismal. Frustrated, she almost gave up until she discovered the power of strategic marketing. Ashley started by building a presence on Instagram and Twitter, sharing snippets of her book and engaging with readers. Ashley then created a free short story as a lead magnet to grow her email list. Keeping her audience updated with her book's progress, then Ashley invested in Amazon ads targeting specific keywords related to her genre, which boosted her book's visibility significantly. So the key takeaway for you is build your author platform on social media and engage with potential readers. Use email marketing to create a dedicated reader base. Utilize Amazon ads to increase your book's discoverability. You see, Ashley's story highlights the importance of marketing. Now, let's shift gears and look at how Jake conquered writer's block. Jake was an aspiring thriller author who faced a formidable enemy, writer's block. He started stories, but never finished them. His creativity stifled by self-doubt. Desperate for a solution, Jake adopted several techniques to reignite his writing passion. So what Jake did was, he set a strict daily writing schedule, writing for an hour each morning before work. Then Jake used mind maps to organize his thoughts and plot out his storylines, which helped clear his mental fog. Then he practiced daily writing prompts to keep his creativity flowing and overcome the pressure of the blank page. So the key takeaway for you to use is create a consistent writing routine to build momentum. Use mind mapping to organize and structure your ideas. Engage with writing prompts to keep your creative juices flowing. If you find these strategies helpful and want to delve deeper into mastering Amazon KDP, enroll in my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. The link is in the description. Moving on, let's explore how Megan managed her time to balance writing with a busy life. Megan was a busy mum with a full-time job, struggling to find her time to create her children's workbooks. Her passion for teaching was strong, but her schedule was a mess. Determined to find a balance, she implemented several time management strategies. Megan used time blocking. Megan dedicated specific blocks of time each week solely to creating, treating it like an important appointment. Then Megan used prioritization. She prioritized her tasks using the Eisenhower matrix, focusing on what's important and urgent. Then Megan adopted the Pomodoro Technique, working in focused 25-minute intervals followed by short breaks. So the key takeaway for you is, as a self-published author, is to implement time blocking to ensure dedicated writing periods. Use prioritization techniques to manage your tasks effectively. Apply the Pomodoro Technique to maintain focus and productivity. In today's video, we explored Ashley, Jake, and Megan and how they conquered their self-publishing roadblocks. Ashley mastered marketing, Jake overcame writer's block, and Megan perfected her time management. The key points to remember are: build your author platform, create a consistent writing routine, and manage your time effectively. These strategies are proven and can help you navigate the self-publishing landscape on Amazon KDP. Remember, you have the power to turn your writing dreams into a reality. Which self-publishing challenge have you faced the most? And what strategies have you found effective in overcoming it? Share your experiences in the comments below. I want to hear your stories. On this channel, I share powerful strategies delivered in a way that makes them easy to remember and apply. So hit that subscribe and like button. And until the next time.